How to lose weight fast with baking soda. Do you want to lose weight naturally and easily? Are you tired of following dietary plans that involve additional suffering? Well, then what you have to do is incorporate sodium bicarbonate into your daily diet to get its benefits and lose those extra kilos that bother you so much. Sodium bicarbonate, a crystalline solid compound that is soluble in water, is very effective for weight loss because it acts as an acid neutralizer of fattening foods thanks to its alkaline function. This article will teach you how to incorporate baking soda to lose weight. Using sodium bicarbonate to lose weight. Baking soda, an element that is found in most homes, can be used to lose weight because it helps the body to fight the acidity that produces an increase in weight when eating certain foods, usually refined and processed. This is because sodium bicarbonate counteracts metabolic acidosis and increases the alkaline pH of the body. Here we present a recipe so you can use baking soda to lose weight without extreme diets. Juice of lemon and baking soda to lose weight. Both lemon and sodium bicarbonate produce an alkaline effect in the body that improves the functioning of the metabolic process and allows us to burn more fats. In this sense, if we consume both at the same time, its effects are improved. Ingredients: juice of 3 lemons, 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Preparation: squeeze 3 lemons to make the juice. Pour the lemon juice in 1 liter of water. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Store the juice in the refrigerator. Use. The first glass of this juice should be drunk on an empty stomach. However, you must continue drinking throughout the day. In just 5 days, sodium bicarbonate will cause your muscles to burn more fat while performing daily activities. If you notice side effects, stop using them and consult your doctor. Other benefits of baking soda: prevents kidney stones, reduces stomach acid, regulates uric acid levels. It is used to treat infections, treats indigestion, helps to treat oral problems, relieves urinary tract infections. Side effects. Although side effects are not common, it is important that you consult your doctor if you have any of the following symptoms when drinking this lemon juice and baking soda. Also, if you are taking medication, before incorporating sodium bicarbonate to lose weight, you should consult a specialist, as the combination may cause adverse effects. Headache, stomach ache, vomiting or nausea, weakness, bloody blood, swelling in the legs,